this is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to format a USB drive on your Android phone. So I have this little OTG adapter that takes USB-C and turns it into USB so I can plug in my drive. So I got this with my phone, or you can pick up one of these on like Amazon.com. So I got something else like this. So I can just plug this into the bottom of my phone. Now if I have the file format exFAT or FAT32 with my USB drive, I can use this with my Android phone without really changing anything. So I can just swipe up now from the bottom here and just type in files. Go to my files or files, doesn't matter. Now what you want to do is go to your USB drive. It's under external storage right here. We can tap it. And then once we're under the drive, we can go to the top right and there's an option to format. So when we format a drive, it's going to delete everything from it. So you can see my USB drive is formatted right now. It's blinking. And it should pop up here in a second. Here it is. And everything is deleted from here. And we just have this one folder in here. I'm just going to delete it. Now I'm going to go to the top right and then just go to maybe create a folder and just do pictures or something like that. Pics. That's good. Okay. And I'm good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.